Hi, konnichiwa mga kamachi. Welcome back to my channel. So it's raining. So today I'm going to my dentist now. So cold, but it's okay. We're going now. So for today's video guys is for teeth extraction. Yes, teeth. So dalawa po yung bubunutin sa atin. Ngayon, aura-aura muna tayo habang di pa masakit ang ngipin. So nandito na naman tayo sa bus station dahil bus lang naman ang ating sasakyan at train. So, ayun guys, waiting na tayo dyan para mag-subside ang ating blood sa ating nabunot ng ngipin. And tada, yan yung ating ngipin. As you can see, sobrang crooked niya. And that's the last time na makikita ko yung ngipin ko na yan. Dahil nabunutan na tayo, tada! So, that's it guys. Babalik tayo after a week para lagyan naman ng wire. So, I'll keep you posted again. And sorry for the delay dahil maraming nangyari sa buhay natin. So, that's it guys. I'll see you again on my next one. Bye! Tane!